In this video, we'll learn how to efficiently organize your cable management projects using the RackPack Configurator tool. This guide walks you through importing orders, selecting specific components, and exporting your final configuration as a PDF. From the Windy CityWire homepage, click on Tools from the navigation bar and select RackPack Configurator utility. From here, you'll see a quick visual breakdown for each transporter we offer: the Grab and Go, the RackStak, the RackTrak, and the RackStak Combo. As we go through the utility and add RackPacks of varying widths, you will see the total number increase in this section. This configurator also automatically arranges the RackPacks on the transporters, taking the guesswork out of organizing RackPacks most efficiently. To begin, let's select a transporter. For this example, we'll select the RackTrak. Now there are 3 ways you can add RackPacks to the configurator: loading an example order, manually searching for cables, and importing order details. Loading an example order gives you the option to see how the configurator works with a pre-made selection of cables for each transporter type. Use this method when first experimenting using the utility. Let's try adding a cable using the manual search. As you type, dynamic search results will populate. Once you've found the cable you're searching for, click Add RackPack. To the right, you will see the transporter begin to populate with your added cables. Continue searching and adding cables to fill out the layers of the selected transporter. If you add too many to fit onto one transporter, it will automatically add a second device to continue building your cable selections. Alternatively, you can add RackPacks by entering an order number. This will automatically identify the number of RackPacks from your order and populate them onto the selected transporter. Once you're happy with the cables and transporter you've selected, you can export your results by clicking on Save PDF. Just another of Windy CityWire's resources designed to streamline your cable management solutions. For any questions, please reach out to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives today.